Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how to send invoices via emails in Wave. Once your invoice is ready, you'll likely want to send it off quickly and securely. Here's how to do it. First, create and open the invoice that you wish to send from your invoice page. After reviewing your invoice details, click the email button at the top right of the page. This will open an email prompt with the invoice already attached as a PDF. Enter the recipient's email. Wave will automatically populate the to field with the email address of the customer you've entered in the invoice. If not pre-filled, simply type in the recipient's email address. Next, you're going to add a personalized message. You can write a personalized message to accompany your invoice. This can be a polite note like "thank you for your business" or any specific instructions related to the payments. Once you're done with that, click send. Once you click the send button, Wave will send the invoice to your customer's email address. Sending invoices through Wave is quick, secure, and professional, ensuring your client receives their invoice without any hassle. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.